Hey credit cousins, are you looking to get a high limit credit card other than at Navy Federal? What about if you don't qualify to join Navy Federal? Are you looking for another option? Well, keep watching this video to learn an alternative credit union to Navy Federal. So many of my credit cousins got this info last night as I posted this information in our private Facebook group before posting on YouTube. So if you have not joined the Credit Cousin Club private group, you are missing out. So make sure you click the link in the description or pinned comments to join and request to join. Make sure you join right now. Well, after this video, because this video is juicy. So we're talking about PSECU. Okay, I'm going to tell you what that stands for. That stands for Pennsylvania State Employees Credit Union, and the acronym PSCEU. It's one of the largest credit unions in Pennsylvania, but it's open to members nationwide. Members right now are being approved for 20K plus credit cards, 15K plus personal lines of credit, and 10K credit card credit limit increases upon request with just one inquiry. Okay, one. Numero uno inquiry, yes.
Did I just say that right? I did.
So I will talk about how you can apply and get the same for just one inquiry. So you can apply directly online here at www.psecu.com/join for membership. Okay, make sure you get those letters correctly. I may have messed up a few times, but make sure it's psecu.com. So just click the link in the description below if those are too many letters to remember. Now they will pull your credit for membership from experience, but later I will explain how you can use that same one inquiry for a credit card and a loan. Okay, if you join by phone, make sure to ask to see if you have any offers for credit cards after joining. If you apply online, then log into your account after joining and check to see if you have any pre-approval offers. So after joining the credit union, you should see that you have credit card offers in your portal. Now you can use that same hard pull from your membership for 30 days and apply for a credit card. There are no additional pulls that will happen when applying for a credit card, a personal line of checking, and a credit limit increase. This means you can attempt to apply for a credit card, a loan, and even a credit limit increase within 30 days, okay? I will be posting more tips on how to do so, but I wanted to get my credit cousins their foot in the door before the noise gets too loud in this credit union. We are notorious for getting the inside scoop details on this channel, and I want to make sure everybody gets a fair share of reaping these benefits before it's too late. You can even apply for this credit card the same day you are approved. Okay, I will go over the credit cards that they have in another video. I will go over which credit cards may work for you and what type of credit score you'll need. So keep subscribing. These videos are dropping daily this week. Once you're approved and happy you're with your credit card approval, you can use the inquiry removal guide to remove that inquiry right after approval. Okay, now make sure you wait till you're done applying for everything you apply for and then remove it, and now your score literally takes no hit. Okay, now this key is to note: if you do not fulfill this credit union membership criteria, most of us won't because we don't live in Pennsylvania. Now, if you do live in Pennsylvania, you don't have to pay. You don't have to do this step. Now, you will need to donate to the charity that this credit union is affiliated with. So that means you will need to purchase a friend membership for $10 by selecting to join the Pennsylvania Recreation and Park Society when opening a new account with them. Now, the credit union will cover half of the $20 membership dues. You just have to cover the other half. So side note, Navy Federal used to do this. It's called the backdoor option, so that you can use to qualify to enter into Navy Federal, where you purchase a membership. And they had a membership with the San Diego Navy League, but they stopped it a couple of years back. So I'm not saying that this credit union will end this backdoor option, but it could possibly get too popular, similar to Navy Federal, where they just decide to close that membership option. And then if you're not living in the Pennsylvania, or you don't qualify with other criteria that they have, you may not get in. So if you're not getting it by now, or reading between the lines of what I'm saying, click that link below and join. So also, don't worry about the $10, okay? You can make that money back after you join. Now, this is something that, I'm not gonna lie, they know what they're doing. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of like a hidden gem, a big one. Because they do allow you to refer others for additional income. And you can earn up to $250, yes, $250, and it will appear in your account within 1 week. So post them links below once you join, because I know y'all somebody gonna join, and I know my credit cousins is going to be getting approved for 20K, 30K. You get 20K, you get 30K, you get 25K, you get. I'm speaking it into existence. Manifest it. Manifest it. Do you feel it? Do you feel the manifestation coming through the screen, credit cousins? I know you feel it. So I'm manifesting for you, so you can manifest for yourself. And then you want to manifest down in those comment sections and let me know that this manifestation worked. So make sure you drop those links down below. As you can tell, I'm happy for y'all. I'm happy in this video. This is the happiest I want you guys to be. I want you guys to check it out. Make sure that this is something that you need. If you don't need it, don't apply. It's an opportunity for some. It may not be an opportunity for others. So make sure this is something that you want to do. Just don't apply because I said so. It's just the opportunity for those that are looking for it, and you can join and earn money with them. Like I said, $250 up to $250. So make sure you post them links down below so that you can have other people join. Make sure my credit cousins that haven't joined, make sure you look out for those links so you can join with them, and you'll earn money once they join. So with that being said, let me know your results if you decide to join this credit union. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and head over to the Credit Cousin private group, okay? And hit that join button there. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey credit cousins, if you are looking to remove those negative, nasty things off your credit report, you are in luck today. I have tons of resources for you to increase your credit score in deleting negative hard inquiries within 24 hours, late payments, charge-offs, in collections, building business credit like a boss, and so much more. Many of my credit cousins have used our resources and received amazing results. And now it's your turn. Right now, I'm offering 50% off everything online. Make sure you click the link in the description or pinned comments below to get your discount now.